How's it going? My name's Dan Merrill. I'm a sports med student here at Westfield State. I took the time to research the effects of pre-sleep protein intake on muscular adaptations and overnight recovery. I chose this research topic as my passion for the gym has fueled my curiosity about optimal nutrition for muscle growth and recovery. Some of my personal journey has definitely led me to understand how the gym aligns with some of the latest research on this topic. Um, With the development and growth of muscle, the things you eat and when you eat them are very critical. Most people know about the role of protein intake, as it's required to help your body repair and make new cells, as well as stimulate muscle protein synthesis. But many people often overlook the idea of pre-sleep protein intake, which is a beneficial option to enhance the body and allow it to repair and build muscle during the overnight hours. While this entire idea of pre-sleep protein is not necessary or the only option, it is a very unique and easy way to increase all of these aspects. Included in some of my research, the majority of the articles I read more into suggested 30 to 40 grams of protein is the ideal amount before bed to increase the rate of protein synthesis. This change allows for a rise in muscular adaptations such as muscle strength, hypertrophy, and mass. A couple of the future experiments I'd love to dive more into is whether or not you can add carbohydrates and fats, if those would influence the body's response. And a second one would be whether supplementing just before bed is significantly more effective or if it's as effective as any other time point during the day. Thank you.